Fold newspaper and make paper sticks. Fold 2 paper sticks with hands like this. Joint both the paper sticks and make a ring by wrapping it on the cylinder. Have to loosen it up a bit. Similarly, make another ring. Mark on a paper stick at 6 inches. Copy this mark on 8 paper sticks. We'll fold with the help of a scale on the mark. Remove the paper rings from the cylinder. Joint the folded stick to the ring like this. Joint all the sticks keeping the same distance. The second ring will also be attached to this frame in this way. We'll put the frame on the cylinder. Mark on all the paper sticks at 4 inches. Fold all the sticks up from the mark. By folding the paper sticks with hands joined together. Join the folded paper stick to the frame's stick at the mark. Another folded stick joint and all the sticks of the frame will be joined. Maintain same distance. You can see all the sticks are connected. Mark 6 inches on the stick. Turn inward from the mark. Fold a stick. Attach the stick to the frame like this. Add more sticks to the inner stick like this. Mark on the stick at 4 inches. Fold the stick out of the mark and add to the frame like this. All sticks are connected. You can see this. Friends, in the next part of the video, we will make and complete our Christmas tree. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.